Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about the design thinking concept. So what we have implemented the design thinking concept in our college. So here we are going to see how the design thinking can be implemented in 5G communication. So before starting the topic, the first thing we have to know what do you mean by design thinking and what are all the stages in the design thinking concept and how we are approaching and we are going to apply the design thinking concept in the 5th generation.
Let me first say about what is design thinking and what are the stages in design. Design thinking human-centric approach to solve a problem, as we all know about it. It is not just creating a solution, but it is creating a solution in a useful and meaningful manner by following the 5 steps, which is empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. Each step has a definite value and an important aspect which gives a solution for the problem in a more effective way. That is about the design.
So now we are going to discuss about how the design thinking concept can be implemented in this 5G.
I'm going to explain about the first step, empathy. In empathy, you have to understand the problem from the user's perspective. You have to understand the 5G users' needs. You have to find the target users. They may be consumers, retailers, industries, and communities. And the next, understand the pain points like speed, latency, reliability, and security concerns. It also uncovers opportunities like mobile broadband, enhanced and massive mission-type communication, and low latency communication systems.
Now I am going to explain about design stage. What are the challenges we are facing in framing of 5G technologies? The lack of what are the challenges that are user interface, then lack of awareness, new test cases to use there. So the people may be difficult to use 5G technology. These are the challenges we are facing. I came up with the idea that user can easily consume 5G technologies in real world, like implementing IoT in smart cities and a home. So we can generate our home into home automations. Then we use industry for industry also. Then we can give awareness about 5G framing technology, so all the people can easily use that 5G.
So we can easily define this, we can easily know that what do you mean by the empathize part and what is the next stage, define part. So what is the next stage we are going to discuss about? Ideate. So what is the next stage?
Next is the prototype stage. After empathizing the problem, getting the ideas, we are brainstorming what are we going to do. We come up with a prototype stage where we tend to get a simple or a model of simulation or a working model of what the final outcome would come. In 5G technologies, we use a smart traffic management system which reduces traffic congestions and also it reduces the accidents due to traffic. And we use it is mainly used in with farmers for agricultural purposes, and disaster management, power is more consumed in rural areas. So we are implementing 5G to reduce that. The main point of a 5G is that the speed of internet and the quality of signal is high in the 5G. So we are moving from 4G to 5G. Through implementing 5G in our prototype, we tend to get a better result than other solutions made before.
So with this design technique approach, we can use this in different applications. Like in smart cities, we can design a automation model. And next is industries IoT. In industries, we can develop and remote control. And next is benefits of 5G. So it is a user-centric solution, and with this 5G benefits, we can use in many innovations, and we can implement the 5G in different fields.
Can anyone conclude the topic? What we have discussed so far?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to conclude the topic. Through the 5 steps we discussed earlier, we came to a solution that using 5G, we get more quality signals, and speed and the latency of the product we tend to get is high comparatively with other 4G, 3G or 2G. With this, we came to know that what are all the products made from 5G or implementing 5G in it will always have a special quality than the other things.
So we can compare the previous generations and now how the 5G can be improved with the help of these.